Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel Career Zone. So today on your request I am going to solve the two questions of class 9 from chapter 10 Open Office Calc, wherein there are two questions which you have requested me to solve. So there is the first question you can see on the screen which is written. I have already written the question. I will just type the formula to find out the output here. So let us see. The first question is to find out the total salary of the employee by adding the basic, HRA and DA. So you can see that in the question the name of some employees are given and then the basic salary is also given. HRA is given in the form of percentage, right? So you have to find the percent of the basic salary as HRA and then DA. Now here what formula we will write? To find out the sum of all the basic HRA and DA, we used to use the plus symbol or the sum function. So simply I will make you explain like this, that suppose if I have written equal to and then the first cell reference is B2 and then I have written the second cell reference which is C2 wherein HRA is given, and then I have written D2 where the DA is given. But you can see here that I have told you that HRA is the percentage of basic. So what I am going to do, I'll do the find out the percentage of the basic. So here I am going to bifurcate this expression like this. I'll start the parenthesis here and then I am going to do C2 into B2 by 100. So like this you can find out the percentage when I do C2 into B2 by 100. So here you can see that in C2 the HRA is given which is the percent of basic. So I have written into B2 by 100 divided by 100. So it will get the percentage. Now 10% of 5000 will be 500. So you'll get that here, and then I have added the DA which is in D2 cell. So this is how we can write the formula, and I'm now pressing the enter sign. We'll get the output. You can see 5950, 5000 plus 10% of basic which is 500. So 5500 plus 450. Now this is the cell, the output which we got in the cell E2. What I will do, I'll drag the mouse in the bottom corner. When I'll get the plus symbol here, a thin plus symbol, you need to drag it to the cell E7. Like this you will get the total salary of year 1997 for all the employees. Alright, so now the second question. Moving on to the second question, here you can see that the question is written that the salary of year 1998 can be found out by adding the salary of 97 and bonus. So simply we have to write the equal to sign and put the cell reference here, give a plus sign and then bonus. So for bonus the cell reference is F2. So I have written that and then press enter. You can see that we got the total salary of 1998. So now simply I will drag it to the cell G7 to get the total salary of 98 for each employee. Now the next question is that you have to find out the percentage increase in the salary of each employee from the year 97 to 98. So how the percentage can be find out? This is the salary amount which every employee got increased. So it means that Shriyom salary got increased by 1200, right? So but we have to give it in the form of percentage. So the formula for finding out the increased percentage is that current salary which is in cell G2 minus previous salary which is in cell E2 divided by previous salary into 100. So I am going to bifurcate this. Suppose if I have written like this, divided by E2 into 100. So here we will not get the correct output because E2 by E2 will be divided first as per the BODMAS rule and will not get the correct answer. So I am going to bifurcate this expression, like I will do the find out the difference first of all, G2 minus E2, and then I will divide it by the previous salary E2 and into 100. When I will do it, it will give me the output in the form of percentage. I am pressing the enter sign. You can see I got the percentage increase of the salary for each employee. So for finding out for each employee, you need to just simply drag it to the cell H7 and then you will get it. Now students, if you want that the percentage should be shown till 2 decimal places or 1 decimal places, you can format your cell accordingly. Just put a right click here, click on format cells, and then you need to go to the number column, select a number formatting here and decimal, 2 decimal places. Alright. and press OK. So you can see that the percent increase I got here. Now when you will find out the percent increase with the total salary of this 98, you will get the output in the form of the number which is the increase amount of each employee. I hope you have understood this question. Now I'll show you one more question here. The question number 24 in your book, I hope 24 or 25, wherein you have to find out the total and average and percent of the marks of the student. So here you can see I have written the question and there are the details of 5 students, 3 subject marks are given, and now I'll find out the sum, average and percent. So for finding out the sum, going to use the sum formula. I'll write here equals to and then sum function, and then I'll start the parenthesis, write the cell reference starting from C2 to E2. Only for the first cell, for first employee, or you can say for a single employee or single person, single cell, you need to write the formula. Then simply you have to drag it to the required number of cells wherein you want to get the output. So I have written equal to sum C2 is to E2 for push, and for this student I'll get the total marks. Now what I will do, I'll just select this and using the fill handle tool, drag your mouse to the top right bottom corner and then drag it till the end. So you'll get the total number of marks for each student. You can see that the cell reference automatically get changed whenever I have used the fill handle tool, right? So for finding out the average, we have a simple function equals to AVG or average. You can see equal to average, and then you write the cell reference for which you want to find out the average. Alright, so this is going to give me the average of the marks of the student. So like this we'll find out. Now for the percentage, how you find out the percentage? For percent, I'll write equals to and then write the total number of marks into 100 and then divided by the total number of marks. So these are the marks obtained. 292 are the marks obtained of the student, which is here in F2 cell, and then into 100 divided by total number of marks. So suppose if one subject is of 100 marks, so I'll do 300 here. Alright, and suppose if the marks like your periodic test contains the marks are out of 10, so you can write 30. So you have to just, you can say you have to suppose or analyze that how the marks is given here, and then you have to put the details over there like the total number of marks. If the marks are out of 50, so that will be then 50 into 3, 150. If the marks are out of 100, so it is 300. If there are 5 subjects, so it will be 500. So like this it will be done, and then you need to simply use a fill handle tool and drag it to the required number of cell. You will get the percentage as well. Alright, you can see that I found out the percentage here, the total number of marks also we got. So this is how you can simply solve the questions of Excel. And if you have any problem, do write to me or mail me again. I'll solve the question. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.